Holy moly, Walgreens is on fire this week with their deals. We're going to be grabbing Pampers for 99 cents a piece. There's so many amazing digital coupon deals. We're also grabbing some Tampax, some Always. There's a ton of paper product deals. If you need anything for your household, get your butt to Walgreens because this is definitely the week to coupon. So stay tuned. I'm going to break it down for you step by step in this video, how you can score these deals. Then I'll show you how I enter everything into my digital budget spreadsheet so we can see our final cash cost and our final net cost. If you're new here, take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of the channel, and it's completely free to subscribe. Below for you guys in the description box is a printable breakdown with the transactions that I'm personally doing and some of the deals available. So you can click file, make a copy, change around the deals, change around the transactions, just based on whatever you actually need and the coupons that you have. So let's head inside and take advantage of some insane deals this week.
First, we're gonna get started with our first transaction on Pampers. Now this is gonna be including the in-store promotion for spend 30 on select PG products, get a $10 register reward. The only problem with those types of deals is there's not usually a tag. Every once in a while you'll find one. So if it doesn't print, you have to just call customer service. But let me show you a trick for how I'm trying to figure out what is gonna be included in that Catalina promotion. So first we're grabbing Pampers. They are 2 for $21. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. We also have this 3 off 2 digital coupon. Now what you want to do is scan the products on the Walgreens app. When you scroll down, see how this is working with the spend 45, get $15 in Walgreens cash. That is a P&G digital booster for online deals. So if it's working for that booster for online, we're gonna assume it's gonna work with the in-store deal. So stay tuned at the end. I'll let you know if my register rewards are all printing so you know exactly what to expect when you go to the store. So we're gonna grab 2 of these. Next, we're gonna grab the Oral-B and Crest deal. So I'm gonna grab the Oral-B. They are $3.50 each. Buy 3, get a $5 register reward. So I'm gonna grab these that are the advanced whitening. There is a $5 off 3 digital coupon. And as you can see, it shows that it's working with that digital online booster as well. So it should work for in-store. This deal alone though is a really good deal. So grabbing 3 is $10.50. Minus the $5 digital coupon, you'll pay $5.50. Get back a $5 register reward, makes it 50 cents for 3 toothbrushes. That is definitely a stock up price. So let's go over our first transaction. So for that PG promotion for spend 30, get a $10 register reward, has to all be done in the same transaction. That way the register reward will print. And again, this is an in-store only deal for the spend 30, get a $10 register reward. So total for all this is $31.50. After all the coupons come off, we'll pay $23.50 out of pocket. Then we're gonna earn back the $10 register reward for spending 30 on PG, $4 register reward for the Pampers, and a $5 register reward for the Oral-B deal. That makes our final net cost $4.50 for 5 products, which is less than $1 a piece. That's insane for diapers. I'm so excited about this deal. Look what just printed for me. I just did my first transaction because I wanted to make sure everything was working so that I could figure out my second transaction. And a digital booster, paper booster printed for spend 45, get $10 in Walgreens cash. So let's put together our second transaction. And we're gonna stock up on some Tampax and some Always. I have a resale customer who looks for tampons and specific brands of pads. So I'm gonna be grabbing these for her. So this week they are on promotion in store. Buy 3, get a $10 register reward, and they're buy 1, get 1 half off. So I'm gonna grab one of these Tampax pearls down here for $11.99. I do have a $5 off 1 digital coupon. This wasn't only for you digital, so you may not have it, but definitely double check. Next, I'm gonna come over here and grab 2 of the Pocket full-size pads. These are included, they're just not tagged. I scanned them on the Walgreens app, and then when you scroll down, it shows their buy 1, get 1 half off, and there's a bunch of coupons included. Also, it's working with the spend 45 digital booster for PG, so it should work for the in-store version. So I'm gonna use a $3 off 1 digital coupon and a $1 off 1 digital coupon. So this is gonna be my second transaction. Total for these is gonna be $31.97. After the $5 digital, the $3 digital, and the $1 digital come off, that saves me $9. I'll pay $22.97 out of pocket. Then I'm gonna get back the $10 register reward for buying 3, and the $10 P&G register reward. It gives me $20 in rewards back, makes my final cost $2.97 for 3 of them, or 99 cents a piece. That's insane. My favorite deal on freezer bags is back again. So that's why I say when deals are cyclical, because they're always gonna come back around again. So never feel like, oh my God, I have to do the deal. It's never gonna come back. It always comes back in about 4 to 6 weeks. So I'm gonna grab some freezer bags. They're really good quality in my opinion, and they wind up being 93 cents a piece because they're buy one, get two free. Plus you can mix and match. Next, we have a good deal on Quilted Northern, Angel Soft, and Dixie plates are also included. This is my new favorite toilet paper, and it's 3 ply, so that's why it's amazing. They're $6.99 on sale, and when you buy 2 in store, you'll earn back a $3 register reward. So I'm gonna grab 1 Quilted Northern. We have a $1 off 1 digital coupon that either works on this or the Dixie plates. The second product I'm gonna grab is the 9 rolls of Angel Soft here with a separate $1 off 1 digital coupon. So for these 2 products, we're at $13.98. After the coupons come off, we'll pay $11.98 plus taxes, earn back a $3 register reward, makes your final cost $8.98 for 2 packs or $4.49 a piece. Next deal I'm gonna grab is on the Tresemme. So they're $6 each. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward. So grabbing 2 brings you to $12. Then we have a $4 digital coupon. You'll pay $8, get back a $5 register reward, makes them $1.50 each. That is one of the cheapest prices that I've seen for Tresemme in the last year or 2. So if it's a product you like, definitely grab it. I'm grabbing it because I'm putting it in my Spend 45 paper booster transaction. So let's go over that. We're also going to grab some free Colgate oral care. So I'm going to grab one of these Colgate mouthwashes. They're on sale for $4. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward, and we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon. Next, we're grabbing one of the Colgate toothpaste for $4 with a separate $2 off 1 digital coupon. So for these 2 products, you're at $8, but you have $4 in digital coupons. You'll pay $4, get back a $4 register reward, and makes your final net cost completely free. This is now going to be my second transaction because I'm using this paper booster for Spend 45, get $10 in Walgreens cash. Total for all this is $52.84. Then after all the coupons come off, you're going to pay $35.84 out of pocket. I do have register rewards that I can use to lower my out-of-pocket cost, but because I'm using a paper booster, I'm not going to use any Walgreens cash. I'm then going to earn back a $4 register reward, $5 register reward, $10 register reward, plus the $10 P&G register reward, plus the $10 in Walgreens cash. Makes all of this free and a final net cost of a $9.02 moneymaker.
Okay, we're back in from checkout. I had 1 coupon not come off. But other than that, the register reward machine was just printing paper. It was crazy. I did 3 transactions. I got 3 paper boosters for Spend 45, get 10. I feel like they maybe listened to us when we were like, what the heck's up with these boosters? We're not getting digital boosters. We're not getting paper boosters like Walgreens, what the heck? They said, okay, here's paper boosters. So we love that. Let me know in the comments if you guys wind up getting the paper boosters or not. Let me show you guys my transactions, and then we'll enter in all the information in my digital budget spreadsheet. So that way you guys can see what our actual cost is. I just think that's super important. So you know exactly what you're going to really be spending when you go to Walgreens. So first I did the Pampers and the Oral-B deal. All the digital coupons came off. The $5 is for the Oral-B. $3 for the Pampers, and I had a $4 register reward from last week that I went ahead and rolled. I also used $10 in Walgreens cash because it is all register reward deals, so you can use Walgreens cash. Paid $9.50 out of pocket on this transaction. Then I wound up getting back the $10 register reward, the $4 register reward, and the $5 register reward, which is amazing. And then I rolled that into my second transaction. Now, my second transaction, for some reason, I was just calculating the math totally wrong. So I did a voiceover and fixed all the math for you guys so that you knew what was going on. But originally when I calculated it, I was like, wait, that's not right. But I was just having a Monday, you know? So here's everything that I grabbed. Colgate, Tresemme. The Tresemme digital coupon did not come off, unfortunately. I'm not sure why. So I do have to call customer service for them to give me the Walgreens cash. Here's the 3 register rewards I just earned in my first transaction. Here's the $5 digital for the Tampax. $3 for the Always, $2 for the Colgate, $2 for the Colgate, $1 for the Always. If the $4 for the Tresemme came off, then I would have paid $16.97 plus taxes out of pocket. So I wound up swiping for $21.81. Then I did earn back all of my register rewards. I got, that was one thing. I don't think the P&G register reward is rolling, so I wanted to test it out in this transaction. I did not get another P&G register reward, so that can either mean one of two things. A, that P&G register reward is not rolling, or B, it could mean that some of the products that I grabbed just didn't trigger that register reward to print. So heads up on that. So I do have to call customer service for the $4 in Walgreens cash for the Tresemme. Everything else printed for me, which I rolled in my next transaction. I grabbed the nice storage bags because we needed them, and then I grabbed all of the toilet paper. So here's my last transaction. Here's the register rewards that I rolled. Here's the 2 digital coupons that came off of the Angel Soft and Quilted Northern. Paid $6.94, out of pocket for this one. And I did get back the $3 register reward for the Angel Soft. I got back another spend booster, which is awesome. Oh, I did want to show you guys also, for the second transaction for that paper booster, I did wind up getting all of the Walgreens cash back. I got $15.52, so that one worked out good. Let's head home and put in all the information in our digital budget spreadsheet. Super, super important, guys. Please listen to me. So many people message me and they're like, hey, I'm not saving as much money as you are. Like, I don't know what the heck's going on. And I'm like, okay, number one, are you tracking your spending? And they're like, no. Bam, that is a major problem. You have to be tracking your spending so you know how much is coming out of your pocket. You know where you're at. So if your out of pocket is high, you're like, okay, how can I fix that? Let's start breaking up things into 2 transactions minimum. Do not do 1 transaction. Your out of pocket is going to be insane. Do not do that. So step number 1, are you tracking your spending in a budget spreadsheet? Whether you create your own or you grab mine, you can go to briecouponqueen.com/budget if you want to snag mine. It's only $7. It also comes with the monthly budget planner to help you know where your money is going and set up your goals and everything for like your groceries, your out to eat budget, your shopping budget, how much money is coming in, the whole 9 yards. So you can snag that if you want it. If you want to build your own spreadsheet, it took me a couple hours. You can definitely build it yourself. So that's another option. Step number 2 is make sure you're doing a minimum of 2 transactions in every single store you go to, except for Walmart because they don't have any of that. So ignore Walmart, but the rest of them do that. So let's go enter in all of our information. So in the digital budget spreadsheet, we are going to put the date. So this is for June as well. Then we're going to select the store. So we went to Walgreens. I do 1 line per transaction. It just makes it easier for me. So my first transaction, the product value was $31.50. This one is for out of pocket. So how much did you swipe your card for, including taxes? I paid $9.50 out of pocket. How many rewards did you use at checkout? I did $14 worth of rewards. Didn't use any gift cards. Didn't earn any cash back. Rewards I earned back was $19. Next transaction, retail was $52.97. Now for retail price, I've been getting asked a lot in my private coaching group on Facebook. Do you include taxes? No, this is just the retail price. Taxes are not included in this. Taxes are included in your out of pocket category because you don't want to count taxes twice. That'll throw off your numbers. So out of pocket on this one was $21.81. Rewards used was $19. No gift cards, no cash back. Rewards earned was $34.52. And my last transaction, out of pocket was $6.94. Rewards used $9. And rewards earned was $3. So now it's going to calculate our cash cost for each of the transactions. It calculates our net cost. This is factoring in your rewards and then your percentage saved. At the top, if you're using my spreadsheet, again, you can go to this website if you want to use it. My average percentage saved for the entire month is 81%, right? 80.88. I've saved $632 in the month of June. But how I've done that is from A, tracking my spending with the budget spreadsheet, B, stacking my deals, and C, making sure that I'm only doing deals on products that we actually need and I'm not deal chasing. So when you do all 3 of those things, that's when you're gonna be able to see amazing savings like this as well. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Links to the budget spreadsheet are going to be below for you as well. If you're looking for a private Facebook group for me to personally answer every single one of your questions, just to help you on your couponing journey, that'll be below for you guys as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.